Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car Systems Installation. I'm going to show you the remote starter for Mercedes S-Class 2017. The remote starter model is SKSNG222D4, available on our website, carsystemsinstallation.ca. The remote starter can work either from the original remote. You can purchase a separate remote, CompuStar for example, and you can put a smartphone device like the Drone Mobile or the Viper Smart Start. To start the vehicle from the original remote, we're going to press the panic button once. The vehicle will receive the command. The vehicle is doing some diagnostics, checking the systems, making sure it's all ready to start. The ignition will turn on and the vehicle will start. The vehicle will be running for a preset of time, which you can actually change from your steering wheel, and we will show that to you shortly. So when the car is running, same as you had before, come to your vehicle. As you can see, the car is locked. Enter the vehicle the same as you did before. Close the door, and then you press on the start button and the brake at the same time. The vehicle will shut off and restart. That's the procedure on the SKSNG222D4. Now, if you want to do any changes on the vehicle, on the remote starter settings, so to do changes on the settings is very simple. You put the vehicle in aux, accessory. So not full ignition, just accessory, which is your first press. Then you go to your audio on your steering wheel. So we're gonna go to radio. And then on radio, we're gonna hold the mute button. When we hold the mute button, we enter to the remote starter settings. We can see here remote starter on. We can see timer start off, which allows us to do a specific time that the vehicle will start. This is the option to choose what time it's going to be. Then we have the runtime, in this case 30 minutes, which you can change. We can decide when the heated seats will turn on based on the temperature inside the vehicle. So we will change those ones to 50 Fahrenheit, which means when the temperature in the vehicle based on the vehicle sensor is 50 Fahrenheit, the heated seats will turn on. We have the same thing for cooled seats. In this case, it's set up for 75 Fahrenheit. Next thing for defrost, we're going to change that one to 50 Fahrenheit also. Basically, we're going with a high temperature. That way, the defrost will kick in faster than if you do it in a lower temperature. Next option is how the lights will function when the car is running. We have the flashlight on, the shock sensor. The system can be upgraded to be an alarm. So you have a few options here for the alarm, like shock sensor, tilt sensor, and the shock level, warn level, and then you can reset the settings. If you don't touch the steering wheel for about 10-15 seconds, you can see settings saved, and that's it. The vehicle is, all the settings that we've done is ready. The remote starter for Mercedes are available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.